Hi, my name is Jimmelle Williams. I'm 36 years old. I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago. I love the teachers. I love the students who I studying with right now. I love the kitchen. I basically love everything about the course so far. I find everything is well done and organized. I want to open my own business, open my own cafe, probably work under some chefs here, probably in Wales and London, get some more experiences under my belt. I attended culinary school back home, so one of the reasons why although I am a chef and attending school right now is because, basically networking and to learn different cuisines, because how Caribbean cuisine different than French and Welsh cuisine, and I'm always interested in expanding my knowledge when it comes to food. I was interested in cooking and what cooking courses they have available, so I did some research and it seemed like a good fit because the course seemed a good way to network and meet other chefs and people who learn about different foods and cuisine. Find like it's a well packaged deal when it comes to like information, learning, and experience. I would recommend it for anybody who wants to study culinary arts because it's a good way to enter the teachers and everybody being warm and welcoming. I say, yeah, there's a great place to come and attend.